If your Wave accounting dashboard is not working or not loading properly, yeah, that can stop you from seeing your finances, invoices, and reports. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, if the connection is weak, the dashboard won't load at all. Next, refresh the page a few times. Sometimes the dashboard just fails to load due to a temporary glitch. Now, close your browser completely and reopen it. Yeah, this clears temporary session errors that can block the dashboard. Next, try opening Wave Accounting in incognito or private mode. This helps bypass cache and extension conflicts. Now, disable all browser extensions temporarily. I mean, ad blockers or privacy tools can break dashboard scripts. Next, clear cache and cookies. Yeah, corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons dashboards fail to load. Now check if Wave Accounting is experiencing downtime. Sometimes the issue is on their servers, not your PC. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Yeah, these can block secure connections to the Wave dashboard. Now make sure your browser is updated. I mean, older versions can break modern dashboard features. Next, reset your network settings or flush DNS. Broken DNS can prevent the dashboard from loading properly. Now try opening the dashboard from another device. Yeah, this helps confirm if the issue is device specific. If nothing works, contact support. I mean, there may be an account level or system issue only they can fix. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve dashboard issues in Wave Accounting and get everything working again.